guys, nahihiya ako kahit walang tao. Like, yeah. Kanina nag-iisip ako kung, thinking. Hiya ako pa kami tao. How my mind really see. Yeah. Of how do I work. To have work. To look for work. Because, oh my God. Because without this family connecting, or connecting, and then myself, because I'm that type of where how do I alam mo, bibiruin ko yan. I don't know, hindi pa siya pumapasok sa isip ko. Try ko kayang biruin yan. Ganyan ako, guys. I don't take serious, or why not to write, and how shy or not strong, so I'm not only in here now. So pag pumasok yan sa isip ko, tatry ko yan. Grabe naman yung trabaho na yun, yung mga SS pa, may mga ganun pala siya, guys. Ewan ko kasi may mga ganyan pala yung mga SS, meron pang parang scam naman yun. It's like scam, like it's too much